This is the dance called Down and Dirty. So our line dance, country western line dancing has evolved, and we're now using modern music. So let me turn around and I'll show you. This is a beginner's line dancing, and I'm pretty sure you will learn it in no time at all. Okay, so let's start with your right foot, and we're going to do a shimmy shimmy. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll do that to the left 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do that again, putting a clock on it. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now next step, starting with your right foot, we're gonna do a little shuffle. A quick shuffle is almost not moving. You're just putting a little weight on your whatever foot that you you step on. So 1, 2. So that's a quick shuffle. 3, step on your left, rock back on your right. Now we're doing that backwards, starting with your left foot, and you do another quick shuffle. 1 and 2. Okay, and then you step on your back on your right, rock back on your left. Okay, step on your right, doing another shuffle. Step left, half turn to your right, step left, and you shuffle a little bit. Okay, step right, half turn on your left, step right again, and quarter turn to your left. Okay, and that's the end of the dance. So you just need to practice a little bit. So let's do it all over again. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, forgot the clock. Okay, ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's do it with the music.